journey. Hindi ko po makakalimutan ang lahat ng lessons na tinuro ni Miss Abby. Ma'am Gail, thank you for being one of the best advisors ng Filipino teachers for me. Ma'am Des, thank you for helping us in research. To Ma'am Girlie Gato, kahit hindi man po tayo masyadong maging close, nagpapasalamat po ako dahil binigyan ninyo ako ng pagkakataon na makapasok sa world of journalism as a news writer. Kahit isang beses na ako nakasali, isa pa rin yun sa mga pinaka-unforgettable experience ko dito sa DCI. To Ma'am Lizelle Care, please salutan, thank you for guiding us in every parade as a Bobby Life coordinator. Not only here in our school, but also in our barangay and in the municipality of Balacao. Because of you, natutunan namin ang discipline, teamwork, at dedication. I would also like to thank Ma'am Dimple Nias and Ma'am Gerlin Danuda for guiding us during our graduation. Because of you, we experienced what it feels like to work in a real office and learn many things that we can with us in the future. Mr. Kenneth J. Pompardas Laure, thank you po for leading us in graduation practice kahit marami sa amin ay matitigas ang ulo. Hindi ka pa rin po nagbabago. Still the same PE teacher I know in grade 6. Mr. Beautiful Ma'am Charity Solania Pare, thank you for all the advice and guidance you gave us about what we might face when we enter college. Kahit minsan ay maingay kami at makulit, nandiyan pa rin kayo para magtulong magbigay ng inspirasyon sa amin. And of course, to our beautiful class advisor and SSLG advisor, Ma'am Archie May Zaragoza Hernandez. Thank you for your patience, guidance, and understanding. Kahit minsan ay pasaway kami, alam namin mahal ninyo kami bilang inyong mga estudyante. Because of your leadership, many school activities became successful. From the Mission Month, intramurals, Buwan ng Wika, Students' Day hanggang sa graduation ball. The best po talaga kayo, ma'am. Also to my Supreme Secondary Learners Government Family for the bond and task we share together. To my cousins and relatives that always supports me. To my tita Diana Basho that supports me financially and always telling me that this is a local video because the light is very hard. To my cousin, thank you for letting me borrow your laptop when I needed it. To that special person who's been always there by my side through my ups and downs and always cheering and supporting me. Thank you for being my loyal family. To my classmates, my beloved grade 12 Papa, thank you for